The compressor goes down on a Tuesday morning. The service tech gives you two numbers: $2,400 to rebuild a vacuum pump, or $8,500 for a new unit. Patients start in 40 minutes. What do? Most practice owners make this call on gut instinct. That's a reliable way to spend more money than necessary, either repairing equipment that should have been replaced or replacing equipment with real life left in it. Here's the framework. Start with the 50% rule. If the repair cost exceeds 50% of what the equipment costs to replace, you're in replacement territory. If it's under the threshold, repair it, assuming the unit has reasonable service life remaining. This is a simple filter that works for most decisions. When the 50% rule flags something for deeper analysis, 4 questions drive the real decision. Where does the equipment sit on its life cycle? A 4-year-old unit with a big repair is different math than a 13-year-old unit. Is this a first failure or a pattern? What does actual downtime cost and lost production? Most practices dramatically undercount this number. And what's the opportunity cost of that capital given where you are in your business plan? The full decision matrix accounts for repair cost percentage, equipment age, and failure pattern together. The combination of those 3 factors, not any one of them alone, is what drives the correct answer. The complete framework with cost benchmarks for every major equipment category and the decision matrix is in this week's post on the DSI blog. And if you want to track service history, repair costs, and life cycle position across your equipment, Dental Asset IQ gives you that intelligence layer, whether you're running one practice or 40 locations. Both links in the description. Please like and subscribe to get more videos like this in your YouTube feed. See you next time.